Maybe it's an infection or the sun.
1, 2, 3. Tono mukubanga chibanda. Gende. Olando za chentu gambye nyambale gundi. Mommy. Come. Slowly. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Bonitah Aura once again. It has been long, me not shooting any video, but this is going to be a little bit short video. I'm going to show you how I harvesting a banana from my banana plantation. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't liked, please like. If you're new, thank you for coming on this channel. Please stay for more nice videos, and if you are returning, thank you. So follow me. Yeah, I'm with my bodyguard. My brothers. What a move. No. Behind it. Let's begin that quite clear. Brother, why don't you ambale gambut? Yeah. So guys, this is my banana plantation, and as you can see, this is soil, like it's infected, so we have to remove it not to affect other. Oh yeah, so I have to lay it on the ground like this. Yeah. This, so you're going to find that the whole garden has this trenches. Yeah, trenches. So we have to put manure here. So when it rains heavily, since I'm on a hill, it will. This is my brother. You may see him and you say, "Hey, Mama, good couple." No, he's my brother.
My name is Bova, a professional agriculturist. So since this is a hilly area, we put this drainage channel so that it can trap the water that comes from the upper side to the lower. So by water coming this side, this trench traps that running water, reducing its speed of flowing and trapping the soil to prevent the erosion of the soil. And again, you can put manure here. In case water settles here, this manure will drain into the soil with the water that goes deeper. Saturate the manure.
Yeah. And there is also manure already, as you can see, cow dung. Yeah. So yeah, let's continue. What is this? This is a tree. This is pomegranate. Pomegranate. Yeah. Do you know pomegranate? If you don't know, I'm going to attach a picture of it, and you see. So this is jackfruit growing. So there is another trench here. Also with manure, cow dung. Yeah. So this one, they are mulching. What do you call mulching?
Mulches.
Yeah, mulches. They are mulching. They are mulching. Literally covering the ground so that there is a lot of this weed, whatever. Yeah.
To keep water in the soil. To
keep water in the soil. Yeah, I don't know much about this, but of course you may have, but you don't know. So I have to add this. So this is this is chili. Is this called chili?
Red pepper.
Red pepper. Here, Baba, they are in the top. Yeah. So this is this one.
ready to harvest.
Yeah, ready to harvest. So I'm going to be cutting it with the help of my brothers, and we see it's going to be my first time harvesting, and I think you'll be seeing more videos of me doing garden work and everything. So they're going to help me, instruct me on what to do, or show me on how it's supposed to be done. Then, yeah, so it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So this is our banana to be harvested, and so it has this support. But since it's probably like 12 feet up, so we have to divide this whole part into 3 parts: the upper one, middle one, and the lower. So what you'll do, this middle part is the one that you cut a piece so that you may lower this banana upper part. So as it lowers, you cut this upper part nearly to the tip, to the apex. You remove the banana after it has lowered. After removing this support, so at first you can first remove this support, but first you can cut here to weaken it. Remove the support slowly to lower this banana slowly at a slow rate. After you cut it, but to be at this level, you cut.
So let me cut. Your cutter is also good. Yes? You want to? Cut off the banana leaves, as you're going to see that I'm doing like this. Guys, I told them I wear my gums before coming. They refused. So. Let me hold for my brother. Now brother instructor. lwaki ebyo ali mu bisalako, like why is he trimming those banana plantations that are dry, banana leaves, sorry, that are dry? Baba jangu okolere wano enkata.
The reason why he has trimmed off all these yellow bananas and dried. So this yellowing of leaves is a sign of an infection, which can also show deficiency into the soil. But in cases we put much manure and enough manure, it's not a deficiency. So
Sleep
if
there.
you see this yellowing of the leaves, maybe it's an infection or the sun. So you cut them off in order if it's an infection, so that this infected part can go away from the plant for its proper growth.
Thank you. So that means he has to also remove those ones to cut
Even
them.
this one, this dry one, it's like it adds unnecessary weight.
So oli mukola ki ssebo?
Dangata.
This is a carrying
Brother.
That is what they call.
Naye ng'okisalidde waggulu. Mbadde mayi bagamba okisalire no wansi. Yeah. Nange nkuyegereza. Nakisako nti daddala n'agamba you have to time so that anti biyinza okweregama munda. Zeebase bwe bati. Nga teziri inside out. Bwe bati. Wenazitekako like nga bwe. Ola brova nga yazitaddewo wali. Yeah. So literally our helper, our boss, the farm owner is literally sleeping. No, yebakidde ebyadda. Rico? Recording. So in Africa, Uganda specifically, I don't know. Uganda specifically, because it's where I've been all my life. It's where I am all my life. So this is what they call it, what? Inkata. Ojizinga, my brothers helped me and put it on the head so that you carry something heavy. You don't feel the pressure. Okay, so that's it. Senior one got us. Hey, madam, I just take up. Hey, I'm going to try.
Tujikwatako. Yes.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wala yerokisoka nekola bwenzi.
Ate kiri ekintu kiba kinagenda mu maaso eno. Bintu nene emabega yenge gye bakwatamu ekitooke.
Okay, let me first show you. So guys, my brothers told me when is it traditional?
Yeah.
Carrying this banana from the garden, you have to carry it like this. This top part goes to the front, then this one goes behind. Not the way I want it, like in front and behind. So you're going to see. And my other brother helped me because the girl has not yet eaten.
Ozeko emabega awe tunaano tuje Esto.
Bueno, si sukau. Yeah. Nyamba. So guys, as you've seen, that's our video for today. Please like and subscribe for our videos. Thank you.